Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Sohail Rana again. Today we are working in actros MP4 gear shifting lever. Okay. So I remove from vehicle. There is a two screw here, one here and one here. So we want to repair this one. So basically, this is here is the module inside. So it's just not just lever, is a module. So after that we remove this cover here. There is a lock here between here and here, too many lock. After we remove this wiring harness to press this one and release. Okay, now there is a screw here. Unscrew this one and then pull out. Okay, just take out colors. This is the lock for a screw. So my case, this lever is okay. This is for the engine brake and other function here. So this okay. We have problem only here, defected switch. So release this cover from here and unscrew this one, two screw again. And this lock must be pulled out from here. So release this one, pull like this. Okay. Also have two screw inside here. I've got two screw here. After that we just remove this complete case. So this is the complete switch here. So we have to remove this one. This is the cable we remove. Okay, we release this whole unit. So we release the wiring harness for push button. Okay, automatic and manual push button here. We already released. Now we release this holder. Okay, so there is two spring and pin. Okay, here. So we want to remove again this unit from inside. So push this lock and push from back side and release this unit from inside. So here it is. So release this lock, push here to release. Okay, this is the main unit to and neutral reverse. This is the switch. So basically this is the defected, so you wanna replace or remove and repair. So next video will show you how to remove these things and repair. So or I replace, because I have a new switch here to replace. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.